What's up, everybody? This is the Bronx Transhumanist channel, aka Fitness for the Average Joe, aka 1 Minute Workout, and I'm gonna have a, how can you say, a little conversation here on knowledge. Okay, so what you see me holding right here is what? A pine cone, which is very, very important symbolism. Okay, so the pine cone, what a lot of people don't know is that the pine cone represents the pineal gland, which is located right here where the third eye will be. And the conversation I'm doing here, if you notice, is going to be talking about is what I'm wearing here, a shirt of The Walking Dead, which is a very popular show that I know a lot of you have seen it. I've seen it myself. It's actually a good show. But on the side, okay, the reason I'm bringing this up is because what I'm trying to teach you is not to have a zombie mentality, okay? A zombie mentality is a mentality of a person who's on awake, okay? Somebody who doesn't have all his faculties the way they should be, okay? Because if you look at a zombie, the frontal lobe is totally destroyed, okay? So if the frontal lobe ain't working, then you're just gonna be acting like an inanimate object, okay? So you're just gonna be doing things on base consciousness, okay? And the sad thing is that in the times we live in, there are a lot of people in general that live in base consciousness. Because what I'm trying to tell you is that if you look at a zombie, the pineal gland, which should be somewhere here, it's not working. It's just totally off, okay? Because remember, it's a corpse, right? So what they're trying to convey to the people is that sometimes people act like corpses, okay? They act like ghouls, okay? They're on that base consciousness. And what I'm trying to tell you is that you should try to get that neocortex lit up and make sure you bring everything together to fruition where you can become more of a human being, okay? It's a concept. I'm talking maybe a little cold, but if you're smart enough, you can break it down, okay? So, another thing that I want everybody to know is that we are in the season of the holidays of Christmas. And what a lot of people don't know, which is like a little sacred knowledge, but what Christmas actually celebrates is the lighting of the pineal gland. That's why you will see pine cones everywhere. Okay, because remember, this represents the pineal gland. Because if you look in your books and you take a picture and you look at a pineal gland, it resembles a pine cone, okay, which is right here. So I just want to make sure that people, if you get a little chance, when you look at zombies, okay, they're always in a horde. And unfortunately, in the time we're living at, most people have that horde mentality, meaning they're not individuals. And I'm here to say to be an individual, okay? Because being an individualist is one of the best things you can do, because you can make decisions for yourself. And when you look at the heading of this video, it's going to be called Break the Signal, because I want everybody to break that signal. So we're getting bombarded left, right, up, down, all day by signals, okay? In the media, you're always getting different signals, and I'm here to tell you that you gotta break that signal. Make sure you have an antivirus in your mind that you can break anything that's coming at you. That virus comes, you process it, you break it down. What's good, you keep, and what's not good, you filter it out and discard, okay? So it's called discard. So what I'm trying to tell you is I'm just giving you a little, how can you say, blueprint on how to think a little bit, how can you say, with common sense. Because unfortunately, in the times we're living right now, common sense has just been taken away. And it's a shame, but there's still a few people out here that's trying to, how can you say, bring that message into fruition. So guys, make sure to like, subscribe, and share. And make sure you don't end up being one of these. Make sure you stay blessed. See you soon.